My name is Saiasmi Gupta.
And I'm Amyra.
And today we are going to make a remix song, a video. So we are going to play piano. Are you excited? I am. The name of the songs which we are going to play on the piano are
They are Believer and Dig the Halls. I'm gonna play Dig the Hall and Saiasmi's gonna play Believer. So let's get started.
Let's get started. Amyra or Nida, you start first.
Alright. Dig the halls when words of fall. We fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly. Fa la 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 la. Don't we know that it's barbaric? Fa la 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 la. Don't we know that they were parents? La 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 la. Now, Sasmi's turn.
Okay, Dakas. Wait, I'm testing right now. So you stop right now, little buddies. Wait. No, wait. I will have to wait.
Precisely, while testing, you can mute yourself. And I can play one more time.
What?
While testing, you can mute yourself and I can play one more time if you
No need. Yeah, this is a good one. So, let's get started now. First things first, I must say, all the world inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been. Oh, the way that things have been. Oh. Second, don't you tell me what you think that I can be. I'm the one at the stage, I'm the master of my CEO. The master of my CEO. I was broken from my young and take my soul into the master right my boy on the field and looked me, took me, choked me, feeling me, heartache from the pain, sing my message from the way, sing my lesson from the rain, sing the beauty to the bang. You made me a believer. Bang. You break me down, you build me up, believer. I let the butterfly, let the rain. My love, my God, it came from. Bang! You made me a believer. Thank you.
Wow, Sasmi!
And you also played a very nice song.
Sasmi?
Very nice. My name also. So guys, I hope you like the video. Don't forget to smash the like button, share this video, comment down below if you have not if you like it, and subscribe my channel if you've not done it before. So see you soon.